What is going on? This is Black Apino, the Apple guy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a microphone for your GoPro Hero 5, 6. Now, most people probably don't know that you can add an external mic to a GoPro, and there's reasons why you'd want to do this. One of them being you want better audio quality than what is currently giving you on the GoPro, because as you can see, most GoPros, they have the mic is kind of on the device itself, so when you're walking around it may not give you the best sound quality. So you might want to get a new mic, but you don't know how to get a mic because you don't know what mics actually work for your GoPro. And I actually found a company called Rode. They actually do make a microphone that you can use for a GoPro. The only problem is that the current frame that works with it does not have a way for you to actually attach it, so you actually have to go on to Amazon and actually buy one, which is what I bought here. This is called a aluminum case, and as you can see, it fits your GoPro just fine. It's a little bit of having to take it apart and put together, but it comes in a little metal case that you just basically just slide up, stick your GoPro in, push it back in, and then what happens is that you have a piece right here that you would take and you would actually screw it onto that, and then you could stick your external mic onto it, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And in order for you to actually use the mic, which is made by Rode, you're going to need to find a way of connecting this into your GoPro. Well, as you can see, GoPros don't have any type of mic or any type of jack that you can plug into. So what you need to do is you need to order a 3.5mm jack from GoPro, which is what I have here. It's $49.99 from the website, and it's what you're going to use to install your mic, or to plug in the mic into your GoPro. As you can see, that's a 3.5mm jack right there. You basically plug that into that, and then that's how that would work. And then this would attach to your GoPro. So I'm going to show you really quick what this is going to look like, adding the mic to the GoPro and have it all assembled. So you're going to need you're going to need a flathead, or I'm sorry, not a flathead, but a four-headed screwdriver. This is going to be the bolt that you are going to be using. This is a piece right here. You basically would take this screw, and there's two screws here. Basically, you would just either or, depending on how you want to place it. The mic's going to easily sit over the camera itself, so it's not going to interfere with the lens as you're using it to vlog. So you just take that, you just screw it, make sure it's nice and centered. And then next, what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece right here. This is where your inputs are. Obviously, this is going to be for where you would charge your GoPro, and that's going to be a mini HDMI port. If you want to take your GoPro and plug it into your TV, you just get a mini HDMI to micro USB, and then you would take that and plug that in. So we're going to use this piece right here. This is obviously for the GoPro, USB-C. I'm going to take that, I'm going to plug that in, then we're going to take our GoPro, we're going to take our mic, and we're going to insert it just like this. And this is my jobby. This is what I'm going to be using for my vlogging. Plug it in like that. Then you basically are going to take this, and then there's a little screw. This actually screws down, so as you twist, that way it keeps it secure, so when you're walking around, this doesn't slide off. And then once you've got that, you take this. Now there's other ways you can jerry-rig it any way you want. I find that doing it this way is the easiest for me to do, because it's just easy that way, because this is primarily how I'm going to have it done. And you take your little wind little flurry wind thingy. You stick it under that, and voila. And that is how you basically would turn your GoPro into a kind of a more professional type of vlogging, for your GoPro. Basically, this gives you better audio quality so that you don't have to worry about getting all that background noise and all that wind gunk in it. So that is pretty much it. Now, for those of you that don't know, I'm also going to be doing a giveaway for my channel. Once I reach 215 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway of an external hard drive. And then once I reach 500 subscribers, I figured I would probably do another GoPro giveaway. So once I reach 500 subscribers, I will do another GoPro giveaway at 500 subscribers. And then by the end of the year, if I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for a GoPro, or I'm sorry, not a GoPro, an iPad. So, in order for you to be eligible, one, you have to be subscribed to my channel, for one. Two, your YouTube channel has to be made public. It can't be private, because when I do the random giveaway, it'll only register whoever I have public on my YouTube channel. So those are the two qualifications: is you have to be subscribed to my channel, and it has to be public. And this is only going to be for those who live in the U.S. because it would cost too much for me to ship either one of these out of the U.S. So that is what I'm going to be doing, and that's how you can turn your GoPro into a more professional looking vlogging camera, and how you can add an external mic to the GoPro. I will have a link in my description on where you can buy the mic, where you can buy the case, and where you can get the mic adapter for your GoPro as well. So again, this is Black Apino the Apple Guy. Feel free to browse my channel, look at my other videos, like and subscribe, and have a good day.